In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shut down Monopoly Go. Whether you're taking a break or permanently stepping away, shutting down the app is a straightforward process. So let's dive in and guide you through it. First, you'll want to make sure your device is on and connected to the internet. Once you've confirmed that you're online, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go app. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens, or in this case, where we begin the process of stepping away. When the app loads, your focus should shift to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's like opening the door to more functionalities within the app, and it's where you'll find all those extra settings you might need. After clicking on the 3-dot icon, a list of options will appear. Among these options, you will spot Settings. This is your next stop. Click on Settings to take you further into the app's configuration. These settings will give you control over various features and preferences in Monopoly Go. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see various categories related to your account and gameplay. Look out for Manage Account. Clicking on this option will allow you to adjust how your account is connected to Monopoly Go. It's like the control room that holds the keys to your connection with the app. Finally, within the Manage Account section, you'll come across the option we're here for, Disconnect. Clicking on Disconnect will effectively begin the process of shutting down your involvement with the app. It's important to ensure that you're ready to disconnect, as this action can mean different things depending on your settings, like logging out or stopping your connection to specific services. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll reach the end of the shutdown process for the Monopoly Go app. Remember, this process doesn't delete the app from your device. It simply logs you out or disconnects your account, allowing you to step away without fully uninstalling the application. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you today. Whether you're stepping away forever or just taking a break, knowing how to shut down the app properly can make a big difference in managing your time and device space. Thanks for watching, and take care.